Kia ora! Welcome to the first lesson in Possessives. Today we're going to learn about the two categories for possessives in Māori. The word for mine can be tāku or tōku. Which one we use depends on what we're describing. When talking about people, tāku is generally used for people who are younger than us, like younger siblings, children, and also workers in inferior positions. Tōku is generally for people who are older or superior to us, like older siblings, parents, the elderly, and also your boss. Tāku mokopuna, my grandson. Tōku kuia, my grandmother. We'll talk more about family in another lesson, but you get the idea. Objects also belong to one of the two categories. In the A category, we have food and drink, animals, property that you can pick up, like books. In the O category, we have transport, buildings, clothes, beds and seats, places, nature, feelings, parts of the body, names. That's why we say, ko Maria tōku ingoa, for my name is Maria. Tōku ingoa means my name. As you can see, most things belong in the O category. These aren't complete lists, but it's a start. Let's look at some words that we've learnt in previous lessons, and also learn some new ones. Tāku āporo, my apple. Tāku inu, my drink. Food and drink is in the A category. Tōku tūru, my chair. Tōku moenga, my bed. Seating and bedding are in the O category. To talk about more than one thing, we drop the T. Aku ngeru, my cats. Aku kuri, my dogs. Animals are in the A category. Ōku whare, my houses. Ōku motoka, my cars. Buildings and transport are in the O category. Now you understand the two categories, and you can learn how to say yours and theirs in the next lessons. Ka kite!